All right, guys, as promised, here it is, the Pixel 5 with that same rugged shield case that I recently bought for the Pixel 4a 5G. Now, again, this is a case that I've always purchased for a lot of my devices, and it's starting to get into rotation a lot. So, again, it comes in the same simple packaging right here. So we'll toss that, and then we'll bring in the Pixel 5. So let's just pop it on real quick, real brief and to the point. You can see it snaps on nice and snug. You got the one hole open here because this one doesn't have a headphone jack on the top. And you got the ports that line up at the bottom. And that's pretty much it. This is a solid case, Bumpy Cam. This is a solid case for those that really want to get something that's going to be heavy protection for their device. I personally feel like this is one of the best cases you could possibly buy, period. There is no ifs, ands, or buts. If you want a case that is easy on your pockets and at the same time is going to give you drop protection that you really need with some of these devices, because if you're like me, you don't buy insurance on your phones, and you know it's because insurance is just a waste of money. Paying something monthly every month, that's just not my thing. But if you feel like it is good purchase for you, you go ahead and do it. So same logo down here as the other one for the Pixel. This case just has this, no matter where you buy it from, this case is going to have rugged shield down here. And let me pop it off real quick so you can see how it looks on the inside. Same as before. You've got the little branding logo here, and you'll find this case again is purchased or sold by different companies under different names, but I just happen to get the same brand on the packaging when it comes to buying this case. And I didn't buy it from the same seller, but at the same time, it's pretty much the same case and it's labeled the same on the packaging. Now, on this side, you have that ruggedized button or grippy button right there for power and volume. You've got the cutout for the camera. It's got the shiny black area around both of these right here, and the camera is deeply recessed. And then you have nothing on this side, but you've got just the bumpiness and the ridges to hold this. And I feel like this case on the and it has this for the 4A, and I might just grab it, man, but I just happen to like this case so much on the 4A, but I might just go ahead and do the whole lineup and protect all of my devices with this same case, because I really enjoy this case. And the Pixel 5 is a good size for this case when it comes to the size of the phone overall with the case. The Pixel 4A isn't a small device, but it's not a big device, but it has a big screen. And this case is definitely something that I think you'll really enjoy if you decide to put it on. So there it is, man. Fingerprint reader works. Everything works really good on here. No issues whatsoever. And that's the case again. I got this for $5 on Amazon. You can find it on eBay. You can find it everywhere. I think you'll really like this case if you decide to pick it up. One of the best cases you could buy for your Pixel 5. Take care.